एलजीबीटी या हम क्वीर की बात करें तो हम में से ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जिन्हें एलजीबीटी या क्वीर का मतलब नहीं पता। आई हैव आस्क्ड मेनी ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स yesterday or day before yesterday that do you know anything about LGBT or queer community? Then most of them had replied that no, we don't know what is LGBT and what is queer community. So let's talk about LGBT and queer community. First of all, let's take LGBT. What do we mean by LGBT and what's its full form? So in LGBT, L stands for lesbian, G stands for gay, B stands for bisexual, and T stands for transgender or transsexual. Let's begin with the first term, lesbian. Lesbian is a type, or we can say is a category in which a girl is attracted towards a girl. For example, I'm a girl and I'm attracted towards some other girl. So I would be told as lesbian, or I would be known as lesbian. It can be physically or mentally. So the one or the girl who is attracted towards another girl is known as lesbian. Next comes the another word, gay. So gay is the masculine form of lesbian. In the same way, like if any boy is attracted towards a boy, same gender, boy is attracted towards a boy, he would be known as a gay. Now let's have a general look that what is the reputation of every people, or what do they stand for every people. There are many people who do not know the meaning of lesbian or gay, but still they make fun of these categories of this kind. And many, if I behave like, अगर मैं किसी लड़की होकर लड़के की तरह बिहेव करती हूँ तो बहुत ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो बोलते हैं अरे यार क्या इसकी तरह बिहेव कर रही है, ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ी बिहेव करते हैं. और इफ़ अ बॉय रिएक्ट्स, कभी अगर भूल से भी उससे कोई ऐसा रिएक्शन निकल जाता है तो बोलते हैं गे है क्या, वाई यू रिएक्टिंग लाइक दिस, आई यू गे. सो बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं, या बहुत हम ऐसे लोग हैं हमारे सोसाइटी में जो इन टर्म्स को या जो इन लोगों को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं देते, इक्वली ट्रीट नहीं करते. सो lesbian and a gay should be treated equally, whether this is society or their school or college, anywhere. Next comes B, that is bisexual. Bisexual, same kind of these. Now let me tell you that all these terms are very very closely related to each other, or they somehow mean the same. So bisexual is when if I am a girl and if I react like a boy, then I'm known as, I would be called as bisexual, because I am physically a girl but mentally if I prepare or I behave like a boy, then I would be told as bisexual. Same with the boy, if he is a physically known as boy, but if he reacts or if he behaves like a girl, he would be known as bisexual. And the last term is transgender or transsexual. Transgender or transsexual are those people who appear to be boy or who appear to be girl, but they do not react like that, and they at the initial stages of their life they behave or they are treated like the same gender. If they are girl, they behave like girl or they are like girls, but as they grow up and as they move on their life, they realize that they are not what they are shown, or they are not what they are appeared. So they sometimes they dress like a woman, or sometimes they dress like men. And in some cases there are also many people who go through a surgery, who go through an operation surgery and turn themselves as a boy or as a girl. They not only behave like a boy or a girl, they also turn themselves as a boy or a girl through medical surgeries and operations. So these were the terms which are very confusing type terms, but in all this mean a same, or we don't know the actual meaning and we think that these all are same, but no, there is a thin line between each of them. There is a little difference with each of them. So LGBT means this. And now if we talk about queer, queer is a community or is a rainbow term used for all genders. Queer is a community in which all the genders are present, and they celebrate their festivals, they celebrate or they respect each other, or they care for each other in this community. It is a rainbow word, or we can say another word for queer is a rainbow community. So this was all about LGBT and queer. Now at the last, I want to just clarify that please don't treat any of the people of this community or any person of this community, or don't disrespect them at all, because they are also human beings and they also deserve same rights, same equalities and same support. And one more information that I would like to give you, that 2 years ago in sector 377, the government has clearly mentioned that these third class or this LGBT community also have rights to marry each other or to love each other. So if the government can take such steps, and if the government can work on it, we also can work on it. So do not misbehave with them, respect them, treat them equally. And maybe that in your community or in your family or in your friend circle, there may be some guys or some girls who would be behaving like this. Instead of disrespecting them or making fun of them, support them and make them grow. Thank you. Have a nice day.